VidJack. Simply choose any video from YouTube or Vimeo and add interactive elements to drive more leads, sales and profits for yourself. Intro. Now create and sell interactive videos to businesses in just 3 easy steps. Step #1. Choose video. Simply choose any YouTube Vimeo video or upload your own. Step #2. Customize. Point and click to customize. Add interactive elements using the built-in drag and drop editor. Step #3. One-click embed and send. Embed anywhere, website, blogs, social media, emails or share the links directly. Commercial license included only when you act now. Get VidJack for a one-time payment. Payment. VidJack, every marketer's first choice for creating interactive videos. Lead gate. Gate a part of your video from users until they fill your opt-in form. Share gate. Present your viewers with the opportunity to share the video over social media before proceeding to watch the rest of the content. Call to action. Call your viewers to immediate action by adding highly engaging tags and clickable buttons at any point. Countdown timers. Build scarcity and urgency in your campaigns with ethical and effective countdown timers. Surveys. 10x your engagement by adding multiple choice quizzes and polls inside any YouTube or Vimeo video. Video and video. Next, general video and video. Maximize conversions by embedding videos inside your videos. Player elements. Customize the player and controls to suit your needs. Enable autoplay, sticky video to keep eyeballs on both the video and your marketing messages. Video skin. Insert your video within attractive player skins to engage with a higher number of viewers each day. Video source. You can pick the most popular video hosting sites that are completely free, YouTube or Vimeo. Responsive. It auto-adjusts your content to suit mobiles, laptops and tablets and enhance the viewing experience. Turn any YouTube or Vimeo video into an interactive e-com store. Showcase your products, sell and get paid right inside any YouTube or Vimeo video in minutes. Connect your PayPal and Stripe to receive payments right inside the video. Store. Gamification and incentivized rewards. Skyrocket engagement to a level with VidJack. Attract your customers by giving away rewards for each time they take action. Offer coupons, discounts and freebies after they open a certain number of hotspots or spend a certain amount of time watching your videos. Full-in video. Personalization. Everyone likes to feel special. That's why adding details into a personalized video, like your viewer's name, is the perfect way to engage and delight your audience. You can use personalized videos to increase email conversions, boost landing page sign-ups, increase event attendance, make nurture more personal, improve customer satisfaction, and more. For example, hello, click here. Personalization. Watch VidJack in action here. Click the link below to get exclusive bonus worth $500. Commercial license included only when you act now. Get VidJack for a one-time payment. Payment. VidJack is packed with powerful features that will make you the #1 interactive video marketing agency. Advanced video player control. Customize and design your video player as per your taste. Add and remove elements just as you like with a click of a button. Check player style and controls. Brand your player with the colors of your choice. Enable or disable features as you deem fit. Check player skins. Select the player skin that goes with your brand personality best and attract more viewers than ever. Check watermark. Leave a lasting impact on your video with your watermark graphic and save it from theft. Complete viewer experience control. We are redefining viewer interaction and engagement. Now you can customize not just a part, but the entire viewing experience. Check dynamic interaction videos. Your viewers can walk through the entire sales video process and have a customized experience that is tailor-made to their taste. This way your brand becomes etched in the minds of these viewers forever and increases their interaction, and in turn your sales and conversions incredibly. Check resume playback. Your viewers never have to be hassled again to rewind or forward videos to watch the video from where they got interrupted. Our smart players restart the video right where they left off. Deep insights and analytics. We closely monitor your video engagement to help enhance your and sales with each passing campaign. Check engagement graphs. We make deep analytics extremely easy to understand. Get organized data about your video engagement, conversions and other important factors to understand your audience and create better campaigns instantly. Embed anywhere. Embed your videos onto any platform of your choice to become viral instantly. Pick any website, social media platform, blog or simply share the link. Check single video. All it takes to embed your video is one tiny link. Simply copy and paste to view it anywhere on the internet. Check playlists. You can create your very own brand playlist that allows you to embed an entire collection of videos onto any platform of your choice. Lead generation and sales control. We empower you with exciting and guaranteed to convert lead generation tools. Now you can time your TIS to gate your content effectively to multiply your profits. Check share gate. Insert TIS or opt-in forms at the climax of your video before your viewers can watch the rest of the video. Now you can increase your shares, subscriptions and sales instantly. You don't even have to wait for the video to end to interact with your viewers and begin profiting. Check lead gate. Insert your video within attractive player skins to engage with a higher number of viewers each day. Check CTA gate. Redirect your traffic to your sales pages to witness immediate action by inserting clickable text, images and buttons from within your video.